If you are wondering how to create real Metatrader 4 account but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can create account on Metatrader 4 following these simple steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss out. Step 1. Download the Metatrader 4 app on your phone and open it. When you launch the app, it will prompt you to open a demo account. If you don't see this option, tap Settings at the bottom of your screen and select New Account at the top and choose Open Demo Account. Step 2. Click on the first option that appears. The app will ask you for your phone number. Enter it. And then enter your email address as prompted. Step 3. Choose your account type. We'll go with the Forex USD. Now select the leverage and we'll set it to 1 by 1. For the deposit amount, we'll choose 3000 USD. Step 4. Once you fill all the details, tap the register button at the top. After that, tap done and your Metatrader 4 demo account will be created. And that's it. You can see your information at the top of the app and now you're all set up. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.